Hello and welcome. This demonstration will focus on the role of the accountant. As an accountant, you are responsible for the day-to-day, detail-oriented work of managing company finances. Your strengths, including your comfort with numbers and the ability to be extremely precise, help save the company money by ensuring tasks are done right the very first time. You may find that you spend a fair amount of time solving internal problems, such as finding missing data, correcting invoice errors, answering staff questions, and getting answers from other departments who don't get you what you need in a timely manner. If accuracy and timeliness are important to you, then you will find that Dynamics 365 for Financials is the perfect solution. In this scenario, I will show you how to quickly access financial reports, how to add a new account to the general ledger, how to create a journal entry using the new account, and finally, we will analyze the new GL account. We'll begin by reviewing how easy it is to gain quick access to financials. We'll select the Business Assistance drop-down menu. Next, we'll choose the Select Chart option. A list of predefined KPIs, or Key Performance Indicators, are available for display on the home screen. We'll select OK to close. We'll continue by reviewing information within the KPI area. We want to review Days of Sales Outstanding, so we can click on this to see this information. The system brings us to a new screen where we can drill into our current period to review the days of sales outstanding. We'll select the current period flow field to see additional information. We get an informational message letting us know the formula used for this data. Days of sales outstanding is driven by a formula, whereas other data in the chart is directly derived from transactions. We'll select OK. Next, our accountant is interested in total revenue. We'll select Total Revenue. To see the information for the current period, we'll choose the flow field to drill into this area. Next, we'll drill into net change located on the right for GL account 42,000. A list appears showing us all associated GL entries for this account. Back on the home page, we can see that not all key information is displayed. For example, the accountant is interested in a specific report. To quickly and easily access the report, we can utilize the global search box in the top right corner of the screen. The search area opens. We'll begin entering Detailed Trial. The system searches for any matches. We'll select the Detailed Trial Balance report. Our Detailed Trial Balance quickly displays on our screen for the accountant to review. Now that we've reviewed this information, we'll select Close. Financial statements are also easily accessible in a variety of other ways, including direct from the ribbon on the home page. We'll select Financial Statements. From the list, we can see several pre-built reports that are available out of the box. We'll select Income Statement. The income statement appears for review. After reviewing the report, we'll click Close. Dynamics 365 for Financials streamlines access to key information for an accountant. Removing administrative tasks to generate reports frees up the individual to focus on more strategic tasks, such as analyzing the data and making informed decisions. We now need to create a new GL account for travel expenses. On the home page, we'll select the drop-down next to Home to expand our menu options. We'll select Finance to navigate to this area. We'll select the chart of accounts to see the listing of all of our accounts. Next, we'll search within the chart of accounts to see if we currently have an account set up for travel expenses. We'll type Travel. Nothing is found within the chart of accounts for travel. Since we are wanting to capture this detail within its own GL account, we'll have to create a new account. We'll select New to begin this process. We'll enter the new General Ledger number, and next we'll enter the name of the account. Continuing, we'll select an account category and account subcategory. We have entered all of the information we need for this account, so we will close the account card. As you can see, adding an account is simple and easy. We'll navigate back to our home page. As demonstrated, Dynamics 365 for Financials enables accountants to take control of their data and the application with ease. We'll move on to the journal entry demonstration. Now that travel expense has been added to the general ledger, the accountant needs to record a payment to this account. Part of this transaction requires tracking the expense for a specific department, the sales department. We'll select the drop-down next to Home. We'll select Finance to continue, and we'll select our default journal batch located within our general journals. We'll enter our GL account number, and the description will auto-populate based on the account number. We will scroll to the right to enter more information about this journal entry. We'll continue with entering the amount of the entry, as well as the offsetting account number. In the ribbon, we'll select the Navigate tab. We can post this transaction without any additional steps. However, the company is needing to track certain expenses by department. This isn't always simple in other accounting systems. However, with Dynamics 365 for Financials, it's an option available from within the ribbon. Using dimensions, the accountant can assign attributes and values that categorize entries in order to track and analyze them. We'll select dimensions from the ribbon. We'll select the Assist button to choose our dimension code. We'll choose Department, and next we'll select our dimension value of Sales. We have completed selecting our dimension and dimension value, so we can click Close. We can see from the fact box that the travel expense has been added to the dimension associated with the sales department. Now we'll select Post to complete this transaction. Finally, we will move on to analyzing an account. Back on our home page, I'll choose the Accounts Payable account that has been added to our favorite accounts list. We'll select ledger entries found in the ribbon. The accountant can quickly and easily see the supporting ledger entries for this account. After reviewing the supporting entries, we'll select Close. In closing, we can see the goal of this scenario was to demonstrate how an accountant would benefit from Dynamics 365 for Financials. 3 key areas that are improved by utilizing the software are reduced number of clicks, improved control of data, and the ability to limit data entries, which ensures data accuracy. Thank you for watching and have a great day.